Copywriting Genius. Hello, this is Sean. In this episode of the Copywriting Genius, let us look at a apology print ad from Chipotle. Towards the end of 2015, Chipotle had a major dilemma on their hands. E.coli and norovirus outbreak stemmed from one of their locations and sickened almost 200 people. It was all over the news, and Chipotle needed to respond in a big way. Following is the print ad Chipotle ran in the Chicago Tribune. Notice a strong focus on the comprehensive plan of the action and the idea that they've been around for over 2 decades and have a great track record. Subject title starts by Comprehensive Food Safety Plan. An apology ad focuses on the action plan. A corrective action plan is necessary in a good apology ad, but Chipotle makes it their main focus. A letter from Chipotle founder Steve Ells. It grabs your attention and represents the importance of the letter. And it goes and saying, as a chef, nothing is more important to me than serving my guests food that is safe, delicious, and wholesome. From the beginning, all of our food safety programs have met or exceeded industry standard, but recent incidents, an E.coli outbreak that sickened 52 people and a norovirus outbreak that sickened approximately 140 people at a single Chipotle restaurant in Boston, have shown us that we need to do better, much better. And this paragraph is important because this is the description of an incident is preceded by the idea that their programs have met or exceeded industry standard. In other words, this is a rare occurrence. Next paragraph starts by saying, the fact that anyone has become ill eating at Chipotle is completely unacceptable to me, and I'm deeply sorry. As a result, we are committed to becoming known as a leader in food safety, just as we are known for using the very best ingredients in a fast food setting. I want to share with our customers specific about some of the significant steps we are taking to be sure all the food we serve is as safe as it can be. The last 2 sentences of this paragraph is pretty profound because people are not convinced by a vague plan of actions. The more specific you are, the better it is. Next paragraph will start by saying, to achieve our goal of establishing leadership in food safety, we collaborated with preeminent food safety experts to design a comprehensive food safety program that dramatically reduces risk on our farms, throughout our supply chain, and in our restaurants. The process begins with a farm-to-fork risk assessment of every ingredient and all of our restaurant protocols and procedure. So this paragraph basically tells us how Chipotle will proceed with its actions to minimize those preceding the outbreaks of the E. coli and other norovirus. And next, throughout our supply chains, we are implementing high-resolution sampling and testing of many of our ingredients to prevent contaminants, including E. coli, from getting into our restaurant. Testing of this kind is unprecedented in the restaurant industry because of a large number of samples tested. We are also working with our supply partners to further enhance their food safety program. We have also designed many improvements within our restaurants to ensure our food is as safe as possible. This includes the introduction of additional microbiological kill steps to eliminate microbial risk. Additionally, we are rolling out new sanitation procedures in our restaurant and implementing additional food safety training for all of our restaurant employees. More information about these changes is available online at chipotle.com/foodsafety. In the end, it may not be possible for anyone to completely eliminate all risk with regard to food or from any environment where people congregate, but we are confident that we can achieve near zero risk. Chipotle is an incredibly focused company. Our menu has remained virtually unchanged for the last 22 years and we only have 64 ingredients in our food. Rest assured that we have looked at each of these ingredients, where they come from, and how they can be made even safer. I believe our restaurants are safer today than they have ever been. The last 22 years have been an incredible journey and we are not going to shy away from this new challenge. I'd like to take this opportunity to apologize on the behalf of us as Chipotle and to thank our loyal customers who have stood by us during this difficult time. In this last 2 paragraphs, please notice that the mention of the last 22 years twice. reminding customers of their long-standing track record, plus puts the incidents into the perspective. Hope this video was helpful, and I hope to see you in the next video.